Imagine waking up, checking your crypto wallet, and boom, you've got free money waiting for you. Sounds too good to be true? Well, that's exactly what happens with crypto airdrops. A marketing strategy that rewards users with free tokens just for being part of the crypto ecosystem. But how does it work? And how can you start getting these free tokens today? Stick around because I'll show you exactly how you can join them. A crypto airdrop is when a blockchain project distributes free tokens to users' wallets. No strings attached. It's often used to promote new cryptocurrencies, reward loyal users, or decentralized token distribution. Think of it like a marketing campaign, but instead of ads, they're giving away actual crypto. Now let's get to the good part. How do you start receiving these airdrops? Here's what you need to do. 1. Get a crypto wallet. You need a non-custodial wallet like MetaMask or Trust Wallet. 2. Follow airdrop announcements. Join Twitter, Discord, and Telegram groups of popular projects. I also share top airdrop opportunities, so make sure you follow me. 3. Complete simple tasks. Some airdrops require actions like following social media accounts, signing up for newsletters, or interacting with testnets. I can guide you step by step on which ones are worth your time. 4. Avoid scams. Never share your private keys, and be careful with fake airdrops. Crypto airdrops can be a great way to earn free tokens, but you need to know where to look. That's where I come in. I research the best opportunities, filter out scams, and guide you step by step so you can start earning. Subscribe now and turn on notifications so you never miss an airdrop. Also, join my community for real-time updates and tips. Let's get that free crypto together. If you have any questions regarding this, feel free to ask me.